One of the most asked questions I usually get is what camera I use, and that's from strangers who see my gear, strangers who see me or hear me say I do photography or film, or just other creatives. They usually ask what camera I use. Today's question was actually inspired by Youcephis07 on Instagram. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But you asked, what camera do you use? The cameras I use are the A6500, which I usually use for photo. Now this is my buddy's, this is John's. I usually get it from him when I need a second camera. And I use it with the Tamron 17-70 2.8. You can watch some reviews on this, but yeah, this is a great setup. I am currently shooting on the A6400. That's my main video camera, that's my main workhorse. So let's do a switch real quick. The second camera I was speaking of is the A64, which is on the inside here. And I just have it rigged up with a couple other things. V-mount battery, handle, follow focus, which I actually use for zoom, microphone, field monitor, and the Sigma 24-70 lens. The lens I usually interchange between cameras depending on what I'm doing. We also have the rosette handles and a matte box. There's also an ND filter and a Pro Mist filter in there, but I'm definitely gonna be making another video on this, so stay tuned. Now let's go back to this camera as the recording camera. Well, that's it. Now you know what camera I use, including lenses, monitors, microphone, handles, follow focus, and all the accessories. I'll probably make a second video about the camera in regards to my video camera itself, just because I did get a question about the rigging, because I posted a video on Instagram recently of me putting it together, and somebody did ask like if I could make a video of me putting the whole camera together, and also somebody did ask if I could show like different ways I could build the rigs based on gigs. So that would most likely be the next video or some video down the line in regards to my camera. However, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow, or hit the bell icon so you can be notified on my next video. But until next time, stay creative. I'll see you in the next one.